Possibly the coolest thing that has hit this shop and since, I don't know, since Tyler came to class. So this is made by Shaper CNC tools. This is specifically the origin, but he just dropped it off for us to demo. I am loving this thing. So you set down this tape. There's all his cameras on the front of this thing, so it kind of reads where it is in space. And then you do all the gross motor movement with this router, and it actually self-adjusts inside there. So there are a couple servos down in here. I think they're vertically mounted. So go ahead and run a piece there. Got an engraving bit on there. A V-cutter telling you to go down and then along. And you can see the CNC is actually moving inside of itself. That's how it's going to do in the gross motoring of the router, and then it does really fine adjustments inside there. You could use this for cutting out parts. You could use this for engraving, pockets. Right now we're engraving a map of the U.S. All done. Turn the spindle off. There it is, just perfect V-cutter engrave. You can do that on anything. You do it on the largest board, because the router goes to the board. Oh man, is that cool? Thoughts?
It's amazing.